Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to reverse a video on Capcut. Now this is a video I want to reverse. Good, now I want to reverse this video. So I'll just tap on the video clip. And the next thing I'm going to do is down here you can see some options, play speed. I'm going to look for reverse. This is it, tap on it, it's reversing, give it a few seconds. Once it gets to 100, you can also minimize and do something else. So waiting for it to get to 100, once it gets to 100, it will reverse the video. You know the video, don't stick to reverse. Now it's done, so let's play the video in reverse. Let's see. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to reverse video on Capcut. Thanks for watching.